A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think say any kind of sickness there where God can't heal? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 4 from verse 23 to verse 25. That time there, Jesus did go all over Galilee and teach in the Jew them church. Him did I preach the good news about God's kingdom and I get people better. People will have all kind of sickness and we're sick in all sort of way. So people start hear about him more and more all around Syria. And then carry all sort of people come. We're sick in a this way and that the way. Then carry people with pain up and a suffer from all sort of crosses. And all who did a suffer from sitting where make them catch fits. Them carry them come too. Then carry people who can't walk. People who have demon in them. And Jesus get the whole of them better. Sake of that, one bag of people start follow back at him. People from Galilee, the 10 town them, where they call Decapolis. People from Jerusalem, Judea, and the place them where they pass River Jordan. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.